Okay, I have a couple work from home jobs that are perfect for beginners, and one of them is also hiring in Canada, and it looks like it's primarily non-phone. So that's the one I want to start off with. It comes to us from OutSchool. So OutSchool's mission is to inspire kids to love learning. They offer flexible and engaging learning experiences as a supplement and alternative to traditional education. This job is for a customer support representative, and you're going to work in the escalations division. So we can see this as a full-time remote position in United States and Canada, but it is a contractor 1099 based position. You'll work 35 to 40 hours per week. Hours are flexible within daytime US based hours and will include one weekend day. So what you're going to do in this position is help ensure every parent, teacher, and learner in the OutSchool community has a great experience. You'll provide high quality product support to parents and teachers primarily via chat and email, resolve customer inquiries with empathy, clarity, and sound judgment, as well as handle more complex or sensitive support situations, escalating internally when appropriate. You'll follow established workflows while adapting to new products, tools, and policies, and take on additional customer experience related tasks as needed to support team operations. So for this job, you need to be a quick learner with a passion for OutSchool. You're an excellent communicator. You're comfortable working independently and making decisions within defined guidelines, and you thrive in a fast-changing environment with a track record of adapting to new products and features. And they have some nice-to-have qualifications, and they're just nice to have. They're not required. Read through them. If you meet any of them, make sure to include them on your resume. And one of them includes experience in K through 12 education. So this is a really good opportunity if you're a former teacher. And down here at the bottom of the job description, they tell us they'll pay you between $20 and $25 per hour. So that brings us to our next beginner-friendly work-from-home opportunity. It comes to us from Baylor Scott & White, a huge healthcare system based in Texas. They're looking for an office coordinator level 2 clinic and radiology scheduling. This job is full-time remote anywhere within the United States. Scrolling down a little bit, they tell us this position is 100% remote. So in this job, you'll do some data entry. You'll also do some word processing, coordinate logistics for office events and moves, and provide backup help for reception or the mailroom. You may also assist in developing policies, procedures, and targets. So yeah, this is your typical office coordinator kind of position. You'll do a whole bunch of administrative and clerical work as well as document processing. And what they want from you is knowledge of office procedures. You can provide consistently excellent customer service, and you can also maintain confidentiality. You have social skills to interact with a wide range of constituencies. You're skilled in document management, including sorting and filing techniques and records retention to maintain accurate records. You're a good communicator, and you can read, write, and follow instructions and flowchart protocols. You can stay calm and helpful under stress, and you can work with high attention to detail. You're comfortable using computers, including but not limited to typing, information security, electronic medical documentation, handheld scanning, and email. They want you to have a high school diploma or equivalent and about 1 year related experience, preferably healthcare experience. It's a plus you have Epic knowledge. It's also a plus you have call center scheduling experience. And those last three things are just preferred and pluses. They're not required. And I'm going back up to the top of the job description because right here they tell us they'll pay you anywhere from $19.18 up to $28.79 per hour, and that depends on your experience. So hopefully one of these beginner-friendly work-from-home jobs works out for you. And if you're looking for some entry-level healthcare jobs, you can find some in this video right here. And hang in there, guys. I know it's really tough out there. There's so much competition and so few jobs, but the more I bring to you, the better your chances are of finding your perfect work-from-home job. Thank you so much for visiting. I truly appreciate your support, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.